Hello, I'm in a 2005 Infiniti FX35, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first open your hood, and then from here you should see a dipstick that you'll pull all the way out. And then once it's all the way out, you wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel. And then once it's all while the engine's off, but you stick this all the way back in, and then pull it out again, all the way. And then at this point, you should be able to check the end. Right there where that H is, there's like a little grid pattern next to it. You should see that covered in oil, where the little grids are. If it's barely on that grid or close to that L you can see on the other side, that means it's low, in which case you want to add some oil. So we'll stick this back in. Alright, yeah, push it all the way back in. And again, while the motor's off, this would be the cap you unscrew to add oil. And double check you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But unscrew this, and then either with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill as needed, and try not to overfill if you can help it. And once you're done with that, screw this on back nice and tight. Then I'd start the motor for like 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, and then redo that first process we did with this dipstick of pulling it out, wiping it clean, and then sticking it back in to see if we're full. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which typically you can do by putting the vehicle on a slight lift, going underneath to the oil pan, pulling the plug, draining the old oil out, replacing any filters as needed, screwing that plug back in, and then up here adding all the suggested oil for your motor so it's full. Screw this on nice and tight, and you might have a little more or less to add. So at that point, I would recommend checking by turning the motor on again, circulating the new oil, turning it off, and then checking as we did in the beginning if we're full. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.